Phil, how big dollars-wise could cloud gaming be? Last quarter, the Xbox unit posted some $3.6 billion in revenue. If everything goes to the cloud and you take away some of that console usage or eventually take away all of it, how big could this market be?
You know, there are 3 billion people who play video games on the planet today, which is amazing to think about. It's almost half the world's population. It's a $200 billion top line TAM business growing at double digits last year. In order to continue to grow this business at that rate, it's got to be about accessibility. And we're talking a lot about accessibility of technology, but also business models, subscriptions, ad-funded games. I think the diversity of devices, the diversity of business models are great tools for the creators to continue to grow this business.
Can you put an amount on that? Is it double, triple what it is now? Obviously, Microsoft is making a big bet here for a good reason.
Yeah, you know, we look at the $200 billion top line TAM in the gaming business right now. We're a small percentage of that. That number's growing. We want to grow faster than the market. So we're investing to do that. And we're investing in 3 big ways. You talked about content, which is clearly critical. Gamers play games. That's the important thing. We invest in our cloud infrastructure with Azure. And we also have an amazing community on Xbox Live, over 100 million people who come every month. So we're going to continue to invest. And as that $200 billion business continues to grow at double digits, we want to outgrow the market, and we think we're really poised to do that.
Phil, you're talking about a broader ecosystem on multiple platforms, and what I think investors should probably focus in on here too is you're talking about a business model shift. What happens to that 30% take that consoles traditionally took and that Apple's App Store, for example, takes now? Are you going to take 30%?
You know, our model is about diversity. And we look at free-to-play games that work on our platform. You look at ad-funded games that are growing. You see subscriptions. We know that the creator has to be the one that's succeeding in our market. It's not about the platform. We are a creator-led market, and a vast majority of the revenue goes back to creators. That's true in our subscription. That's clearly true in our store. And we think democratizing that content so it releases to more people in more direct ways from creator to consumer is a key for us. As Microsoft, creators have been at our core from the beginning. If you think back to Windows and DOS, and anybody with Turbo Pascal and a floppy drive was a game publisher, and we want to make that model possible in today's world.